Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is a Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fantastic song by Oasis. Champagne Supernova. Alright, let's go. We're in standard tuning. Pretty sure we are. Yes. Song is an A. Basically we have two parts. We got the main verses that goes on forever, and then we have the bridge that comes up two times, and then the ending when it's really big, it's like a verse but a little bit different. Alright, okay, so we got these really weird, strange, cool chords. We got A9, so second fret D, second fret G. Song is an A, and then add your pinky on the third fret E string, and make that a chord. I have no idea what chord this is. I guess let's call it A with G in the bass. And then we want the same chord but F sharp in the bass. So fingering here is very important. Bam, pinky. Now first finger over that A9 there. And then we want this E. That is 2A, 2D, 2G. 2, 3, 4. G in the bass over A. 2, 3, 4. F sharp in the bass over A. And that E right there. Down, 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 up, down, down. Very cool progression. Okay, that goes on for a long time. It starts kind of soft and gets bigger and bigger. And then we got the bridge that comes back two times. G major, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 to that A, 9. Add 2. G, second time, D major. So E major, E sus. So E major, 1, 2, 3, E sus. You add the pinky on second fret G. 2, 3, back to verse. Alright, it's much longer, but let's go to that bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4 to A. And G major, B, D major, and D sus. Back to the like guitar stuff. end of this, it gets really big, right? After the F sharp, instead of grabbing the E chord, we want to go F to G. So I play F like this. First fret, second, 3, 3. Play like this. Bar chord, I like this. Cool, guys. So yeah, really nice composition. It's so long, and the dynamics are up and down, and I mean not very many chords, just these crazy chords that they came up with. All right, cool, guys. See you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy. And see you later.